Today, an Apple Card is one of the best options for payment. It's convenient and time-saving. The best part is that you can also share it with your family and friends. However, there are certain issues that plague the Apple Card. One of the major problems reported by many Apple Card users is that it says unavailable for sharing. This could be because of outdated iOS software, region and age restrictions, member limitations, and phone compatibility issues. I understand that this issue may cost you a lot of time and effort. In this extensive guide, I will show you the different fixes to help you navigate through this issue easily. So, watch on. Method 1. Check if family member has updated iOS to required version. An outdated iOS version is the leading cause of many iOS-related problems. It is because Apple reintroduces better and more secure versions of applications in their updated software. So, your Apple Card may not work entirely on an old version due to security issues and other bug problems. It may also face issues like unavailable for sharing. Hence, you need to check your previous version and update it accordingly. You'll be saving yourself from a lot of hassle. Method 2. Check the region. Apple Inc., in collaboration with Goldman Sachs, created this credit card. Hence, currently, Apple Cards are available only in the US, which is where regional restrictions come in. So, if the region in your iPhone says elsewhere, it will cause the unavailable for sharing problem. Additionally, it is also necessary to note that the co-owner and participants need to reside in the US too. If they do, ask them to double-check their region in the settings. Just set the region to the US if it's set to some other country. Method 3. Don't add more than 5 people. There is a limit to adding people to your Apple Card. Hence, currently, you can only add up to 6 people, including you. If you try to add more, you may encounter an unavailable to share issue. So, if you notice that you already have 5 people sharing your card, consider removing one for the time being. Method 4. Update the birth information. According to Apple's terms and conditions, the participants need to be over 13 years of age to use the Apple Card. Similarly, the co-owners have to be over 18 years of age. If they are not, you may encounter this issue. So, if you are trying to add a participant or a co-owner, they should meet the age requirements. If they have, you can ask them to update their birth information. Method 5. Restart your device. Method 6. Turn off VPN. Method 7. Reset all settings. Method 8. Check date and time. Make sure that the date and time settings of your phone are proper. Try to check them by going to Settings followed by General. Then, choose Date and Time to make any changes. Method 9. Contact Apple Card Support. If you're still unsure, your best bet is to contact Apple Card Support. They may be able to help you out with this issue. However, according to some users, this method may not yield results.